talk already.
What?
Let's go na.
Mark,
Kalahati ng mata mo eh.
I have a big eyes.
Why you're not.
I don't know. 'Cause
Where
I
is
feel
that
so
eye?
dumb.
I cannot see those eyes. Where's those eyes?
Here.
Where?
Here. I don't know. Whenever I put my eyes, it was like in my butt. Can you see on it?
What happened? What happened to your eyes?
It's lost. You can just picture it. Paging to the eyes is all
lost
marked.
nowhere.
Oh my God.
Leslie, bahala kayo. Iwan na kita.
You know what? I've
Bili na
won.
lang yan.
I've won this competition because look, you're wasted and you're drunk.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You? I still can see you. Your eyes are little.
Even me, I can see you. Look, even your big boobs and everything you have. Oh my God! And I also have a boobs. Your edits. She have a edits?
Is it lost? So she have it already?
Kasi tinatanong ko yung mga may 18 ba nakakatulong ba sa akin?
You ask Leslie.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Are you insulting me?
No, I'm not insulting you.
My husband's buying another one.
I don't think so.
We should drink it. The night is still young, you know?
It's already